Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing it. Of course, here we've got this restart option, but let's pretend we cannot tap on it. Keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got also the developer's logo, so I can release the finger, and in a second our device will be turned on again, and hopefully the problem will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.